One of the first things you're going to do when you launch Microsoft Word is let Word know what it is that you want to do. Do you want to create a brand new document? Do you want to open up an existing document? Do you want to use one of the templates that Microsoft supplied to us? You get to pick. They give you all these options. Now, this is really going to be the first thing you see when you open up Word. Take a look at my screen. This is what's called the startup screen or the splash screen. Okay? You can see here that I've got the option to be able to pull from recent documents. I don't currently have any in there, but once you start working inside of Word, this list will start to fill up with your most recent documents you've activated or opened inside of Word. You've got templates that you can use, and I've got a number of templates here. I've got resume templates, cover letter templates, and a whole slew of templates. You got ways that you can search online templates and just the templates that are loaded on your computer as well. We've also got the option to create a brand new, spanking new, brand new blank Word document. And that's where we're going to start this course, these lectures. So I've launched Microsoft Word. Again, first step, get my splash screen. This was introduced in the 2013 edition. So if you're actually on 2010 or earlier, then it probably brought you right into a blank document right away. So here, 2013 and newer, you get the start screen asking you what you want to do, whether that's recent documents, templates, or start from scratch a blank document. So that's all I'm going to do is I'm going to select a blank document. I'll just give that a click. This will launch Word for me, and I've got my new blank document in front of me. And that's it. Create a new document. Try it out. Open up Word. If you're in 2010 or earlier, it's going to open and you're going to get a new document right away. If you're in 2013 or newer, such as I am here, then it's going to ask you what you want to do. Just grab blank document and we'll be on our way. Try it out.